Hello and welcome back to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, your go-to destination for turning compact spaces into stylish homes. Lulu here, cute small apartment creative design ideas number 50. Can you believe it? We are at the big 50. It's time to pop the confetti because you are about to dive into the 50th episode of our beloved series, Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. This isn't just another episode. It's a celebration of creativity, community, and the charm of compact living. From the very first episode, we've journeyed together through the world of tiny living spaces, transforming them into stunning abodes, brimming with personality and charm. And now we've reached a milestone that's just as much yours as it is ours. In this golden 50 edition, we are not just revisiting our favorite design hacks and space-saving miracles. We are also sprinkling in a dash of nostalgia and a peek into the future of apartment living. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's celebrate the big 50 with style and a heart full of gratitude for your unwavering support. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with all your friends who appreciate the art of maximizing small spaces. Let's dive in. Before starting our presentation, let's take a delightful stroll down memory lane and revisit some captivating highlights from our beloved series, Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. Episode 34. This episode showcases amazing examples of how to make the most of your small living space and express your personal style, whether you live in a studio apartment or a cozy loft. Viewers found plenty of inspiration and tips to transform their spaces. Duration: a captivating 18 minutes and 40 seconds of design magic. Episode 33. Dive into the world of cute and compact apartments where creativity and smart design turn any tiny space into a cozy, stylish home. From multi-purpose furniture to clever story solutions, this episode was a treasure trove of ideas. Duration: consists 30 minutes and 57 seconds of design inspiration. Episode 28. The 28th part of our series celebrated the beauty of small apartments. It proved that it's possible to live comfortably in a limited space with the right design choices. Duration: a delightful 14 minutes and 19 seconds of design wisdom. Remember, each episode is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. Whether you are a city dweller or simply love the charm of small spaces, there is always something new to discover. The first presented apartment is a modern open-plan space that features distinct living, dining, and kitchen areas within a compact layout. It's well lit with natural light from large windows and is styled with neutral tones and green plants, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is equipped with black countertops and modern appliances, while the living area has comfortable seating arrangements. Overall, it's a neatly organized and efficient use of space that feels open and airy. The second presented apartment features a modern open floor plan that combines the living area, dining space, and kitchen. Again, a well-lit space with large windows that includes a light gray sofa, armchairs, a round coffee table, and a textured rug in the living space. The dining area has a wooden table with chairs and stylish pendant lights above. The overall feel is airy and contemporary. The apartment in the has a modern open plan space that combines the living area and kitchen dining area. It features a sage green sofa, a wooden media console, a flat screen TV, and a round coffee table. The kitchen area includes a gray cabinetry, integrated appliances, and an island with chairs. The space is brightened by large windows and glass doors leading to a balcony and is accented with indoor plants and pendant lights. It's a cozy yet stylish space that maximizes its small footprint. Here, you can see an apartment that is modern and compact space with a modern and compact open floor plan layout. It features a kitchen with white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, a dining area with a table set on a patterned rug, and is well lit by a stylish pendant light. The decor includes floating shelves, plants, and books, creating a clean and functional aesthetic. Now, let's see an apartment that is a modern and cozy space with an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living area, dining space, and kitchen. It features a dark blue plush sofa, a wooden coffee table, and a large potted plant in the living area, creating a welcoming atmosphere. The dining section includes a round table with chairs, perfect for intimate meals. The L-shaped kitchen is equipped with white cabinets and stainless steel appliances, giving it a clean and sleek look. Overall, the apartment presents a harmonious blend of comfort and style. Here, we have an apartment with a modern small space with an open floor plan. It features large windows that flood the area with natural light, a cozy living area with a sofa and TV, a dining space with a table for four, and is decorated in neutral tones with green indoor plants, adding a touch of vibrancy. Overall, it presents a clean, inviting atmosphere. Let's look now at the bedroom of a small contemporary apartment, a cozy intimate space featuring a large bed with a white comforter and multiple pillows, a white nightstand with a lamp and a framed pictures above the bed. The room has wooden flooring and an off-white rug with one wall painting in a warm terracotta color that contrasts with the other white walls. Natural light enters through a window with long curtains, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The apartment in the image is a modern small space with an open floor plan. It features a kitchen with dark cabinetry and stainless steel appliances alongside the dining area with a round table, black chairs, and a decorative pendant light. The area is well lit by natural light from large windows and the warm wall tones and the wooden floor with a welcoming atmosphere. Decorative touches like plants and a vase with flowers add to the cozy feel of the apartment. Let's step now into an apartment, a modern, compact space with a modern open floor plan layout. It features a light gray sofa and a low-profile wooden coffee table in the living area alongside large windows that flood the room with natural light. The small kitchen boasts dark cabinetry and a wide countertop area with a dining table set for four. The decor includes indoor plants, wall art, and a clear glass vase, creating a cozy yet stylish atmosphere. Another apartment, another modern small space with an open floor plan. It features a one-wall kitchen area with light wooden gray cabinets, white countertop, and stainless steel appliances. A dining work area with a rectangular table and chairs, and a living area with a large L-shaped queen sofa, a round coffee table, and ottoman. The space is again well lit by large windows and has a minimalistic decor with neutral tones. Now let's have a look at an apartment that features a modern open plan design, combining a kitchen with lightweight cabinets, a dining area with a rectangular table, and a cozy living space. Once again, large windows and a glass door let plenty of natural light inside that accentuates the warm wooden floors and earthy tones throughout, creating an inviting atmosphere. Artwork and plants add a personal touch to the space. The apartment in the image is a modern, compact space with an open floor plan. It includes a living area with a cozy dark sofa and a wall-mounted TV, a dining space with a circular table and chairs, and a kitchen area with an induction cooktop. The interior design is minimalistic, featuring neutral colors and natural wood scents. Large windows allow for plenty of natural light and lead to a balcony with the outdoor seating, enhancing the open and airy feel of the apartment. The last pre-dented design is a bedroom, a small, modern, and a cozy space featuring a large bed with a muted tone bedding and accent pillows in green and coral. Artworks adorn the beige wall above the bed and the green side table with the white lamp sits to the right. The room is illuminated by natural light from large windows and a stylish pendant light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. And just like that, we've reached the end of our 50th episode in the Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas series. What a journey it's been, filled with innovative designs, clever hacks, and a community that's grown into a family. As we close this chapter, we are not just saying goodbye to another episode. We are cherishing the memories and the milestones we're creating together. Your enthusiasm and support have turned this series into a beacon for small space dwellers everywhere, and for that we are immensely grateful. Remember, whether it's episode 1 or 50, our mission remains the same: to inspire you to create a space that's uniquely yours, no matter the size. So keep dreaming big for your small spaces and stay tuned for what's next, because the best is yet to come. Thank you for being part of our 50 episode celebration. Don't forget to like, comment with your favorite moments, and share this milestone with friends and family. Until next time, keep making every square inch count. Happy designing. Bye.